Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for 2025, Robinhood versus Acorns. If you're new to investing or just looking to switch apps, this comparison will help you decide which one fits your style. Let's jump right in. First up, Robinhood. This app has been a game changer since its launch, offering commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options. In 2025, it's even more user-friendly with advanced tools like fractional shares and crypto trading. The interface is sleek and mobile-first, perfect for beginners who want real-time market data at their fingertips. However, it might not be ideal for long-term investors because it lacks robust retirement planning features and has had some regulatory hiccups in the past. On the other side, we have Acorns. This app is all about automated investing, rounding up your everyday purchases and investing the spare change into diversified portfolios. By 2025, Acorns has expanded its offerings to include IRAs and personalized financial advice, making it a solid choice for building wealth over time. It's great for people who are busy and want a set-it-and-forget-it approach, but it does come with higher fees compared to Robinhood, which could eat into your returns if you're a frequent trader. Now, let's compare the two. Robinhood shines for active traders who enjoy monitoring the markets and making quick decisions, with its zero-commission trades and educational resources. Acorns, however, is better suited for passive investors, especially those starting small or focusing on retirement. Consider your goals. If you're all about hands-on control and low costs, go with Robinhood. But if you prefer automation and long-term growth, Acorns might be your pick. In 2025, both apps have evolved, but always do your own research and consider factors like your risk tolerance and financial situation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing tips, and drop a comment below. Which app are you using? See you next time.